Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. So this week I'll be showing you how to make these two really pretty embellished headbands. They're so incredibly easy to make, and I think they look amazing. They're a great way to add some fun and sparkle to your outfits. But really quickly before I get started, I just wanted to say that if you like this video and want to see more from me, please subscribe to my channel. That'd be super awesome and I'd be really grateful. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. So for this project, you'll need some embellishments, some padded headbands, and some E6000 glue and an applicator. But before we move on, I have a couple things I want to mention. The first is, unless you have some really small embellishments, you aren't going to need an applicator. And the second is, you're going to want to buy the smaller tubes of the E6000 glue, because I heard the larger one doesn't store well. For this first headband, I'm just going to be adding some embellishments to the top. You can of course create whatever sort of design you'd like, but I do have a couple tips. The first tip is, if you have any embellishments with holes in them, be careful when putting them on the headband. If you push them down too hard, the glue is going to come through the holes. And the second and third tip is to glue the embellishments on in 3 sections and to hang your headband over a pillow while you're waiting for it to dry. By doing this, you can always make sure the section that is drying is laying flat. And here's the completed first headband. I think this one looks really designer-esque, and as a bonus, it totally looks like something that Blair Waldorf would wear. Moving on to headband number 2. For this one, I'll be gluing embellishments on the front. I don't think I've ever seen a headband with embellishments on the front like this, but I thought it'd be really cool and sort of look like a crown. Anyway, tip number 1 from before also applies now, but tip number 2 not so much because we're gluing things on the front, so everything's going to be laying flat. And here's the completed second headband. I just love how feminine and romantic it is. And yeah, that's the end of the video. I told you guys these were super easy to make. Anyway, I hope you guys liked the video. Please subscribe if you want to see more from me, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching, and bye!